how to find Payoneer account number and routing number. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video I'm going to be talking about a few steps on how you can find your 9-digit routing number and your account number. So these steps are also on the community forum on Payoneer, so you can check them out from there as well. But what you're going to do is you're obviously going to log into your Payoneer account and come to this main page over here. Now, basically, under the basic receiver menu, or you could even come here and go into the settings, you should find your global payment service, okay? And it's going to give you all these options over here. So what you're going to do is you're going to go on your global payment service page and get your Payoneer routing number and other details. So for most people, the global payment service might not appear, but it's pretty easy. All you're going to do is you're going to go in the Get Paid tab, and you're going to come to your Receiving Accounts tab. Now, if you obviously have receiving accounts, you're going to go to the section where it says USA receiving account, or, whatever country your receiving account is from. You can even get started right now, to be honest, and just access your local guidelines and all. Now, once you've done this and gotten your USA receiving account, basically what it does is it basically gives you the different routing numbers. So let's say I were to do this and submit a request under my receiving accounts, it's going to basically give me all the accounts that I, actually get things from. So over there, it's going to give me a view details option. So you're going to go on view details, and once you click on view details, it's going to give me the routing ABA, which is the where to find, and under that it's going to give me the account number, which is pretty simple to find as it is. So that's pretty much about it. That's how you can find your Payoneer account number and routing number. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.